Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's do a decoupage bottle art. First I am coating the bottle with one layer of gesso. I am using gesso as primer or base coat. You can use white acrylic paint as well. I am going to mix these two chalk paints, lavender color and white color, so that the color matches my decoupage tissue. I am applying the paint with the help of a sponge. Let it dry fully. Using a water dip brush, I am going to cut out the central part of the decoupage tissue. I am using only that part. Next, I am tearing away the image along the wet area. This is Mod Podge glue. I am applying it over the bottle. Make sure that you are applying a very thin layer of Mod Podge glue. Next, I am separating the topmost thin layer of decoupage tissue and I am pasting it over the bottle carefully. You can repeat the process little by little, covering small areas. Gently rub with your hands to avoid air bubbles. You can also use a dry brush to remove air bubbles. So I have finished pasting the decoupage tissue. It looks as if it's printed on the bottle and there are no air bubbles. Next, apply a thin layer of Mod Podge glue over the decoupage tissue to seal it. I am giving one more coat of chalk paint. This step is optional. You can skip it if you think you have adequately covered the bottle. I am highlighting the sides of decoupage tissue with darker shade and I am blending it with the surrounding area. So this is the final look of the decoupage tissue area. I am applying lavender color chalk paint to the topmost portion of the bottle. Next, I am pasting this handmade flower to this bottle. I am using soft gel medium as a glue. You can use glue gun or Fevibond. Back side of the bottle is empty, so I am going to write a quote over there with help of a waterproof marker. And I am drawing few flowers. Our home decor decoupage bottle is ready.